I don't start.
Yeah, nothing.
Yes.
This is the accident of the car, and we make things. We started the car. Something like this. Separate it from the car. This like mechanic. This mechanic workshop. We do things like this. This is the accident car. We have the scattered wire. You have the scattered wire of the car and accident car.
The engine is out, right?
No, the engine is out. The engine is not okay. The car have accident, so we have not the engine out. But in this car,
it will be a new engine fixed, right?
I will make the engine with new and 100% sure to fix it back.
Wow.
This is the exhaust. Come close, and we see something like this. And this is what called
the
exhaust.
catalyst go through, right?
Wow. And this is the position of the engine. But now present now the engine is not inside and it's out. I pull it out to make one or two arrangements inside. And this is the wire. This is the wire that make the car sound well. We connect it to the engine.
Also the nozzle.
Wow. So the nozzle and for the kickstarter, for the alternator, and for the one or two things. Plenty there's enough things to talk about the wire and the socket. More just look about this. This is what called the socket of the compressor. It make car cool. But in this opportunity, yes, let us look about this. The personal use of AC in the car is when rainy season, right? To make you be okay, to make you to be comfortable, and outside of this AC or outside of this engine, I will still make this car to be okay from you. I will work it to be well. All the glasses break, all the scattered of the leg, all the interior of this, scattering cleaning out, distance of the car, down flat of the tire, fire is down, bend of the wheel, scattered of the bumper, breaking of the lights, back lights. Use of the bumper.
But if this is all set, how much will this cost in market?
The car?
How much will you sell it? If you keep it in order.
If I keep the car in order to put the direct to work on the perfect interior of this car, it will cost us to sell almost 2.7. This Toyota company, this pencil light. This pencil light.
They call it 2.2, right?
Wow, 2.2 pencil light. Take a look at that other car.
Okay, the legs just over there.
Other car. Just take a look at this. This is what called the side mirror.
So this side mirror, how much does it cost?
The side mirror costs like 8,000 naira each. Each one 8,000 naira, each one 8,000 naira. And we still look about the bumper. This one called the bumper, it make the bonnet stand when it's okay. But this particular this present one is not okay. We need to change this, we need to fix another one. Right? Yes. We need to fix another one. And see, the bonnet are separate for the car. Just look at the bonnet separate from the car. Look at the bonnet. Look at the bonnet. If I want to put the car, I will start something like this. Something like this. Shake it. Open it now. It's okay. I don't tie it like this. This is the throttle. This cross cable. This is the wire from the socket. I will still fix it out. You'll be very 100% sure from you. Yes. Don't be surprised. I will still make the car will be okay from you. Don't be surprised. I'm engineer from Kubo Mechanic, automobile mechanic workshop.